In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see completed tasks in Asana. If you've ever checked a project in Asana and wondered where all your completed work has gone, you're not alone. By default, Asana often hides completed tasks to keep your workspace clean and focused on what's still open. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple way to reveal those completed tasks so you can review progress, report on what's been done, or just get that extra sense of achievement. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and you're looking at the main dashboard. The first thing you need to do is select the project where you want to see your completed tasks. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of your teams and projects. Click on the project you're interested in. Asana will open it, usually in the list view by default, but this works the same even if your project is in board view. The key is that you're inside the specific project where the tasks live. Once your project is open, look towards the top of the screen for the filter options. You'll see controls that let you sort and filter what appears in your task list. Among these controls, there's a filter button or drop-down that controls which tasks are visible. Go ahead and click on that filter area. This is where Asana lets you choose whether to show incomplete, completed, or all tasks. After clicking the filter, you'll see options related to task completion status. Look for the option that says completed tasks. Click on completed tasks to change the view. As soon as you select it, Asana will refresh the list and show tasks that have already been marked as complete within that project. Depending on how your project is set up, you might now see tasks grouped by sections, dates, or assignees, but they'll all have that completed checkmark. You can scroll through to review what's been finished, open individual tasks to see more details, comments, or attachments, and even adjust due dates or move tasks if needed. If you want to switch back later to only see what still needs to be done, just go back to the same filter button and select incomplete or the default view again. And that's all you need to do. By selecting your project, opening the filter, and choosing completed tasks, you can quickly surface all the work that's been done and keep a clear record of your team's progress in Asana.